Hey, what's up guys? It's Oren here. You might see phones like this these days, but let's take a look back in the past at good old flip-flop phones. I'm talking ones like this that go like this. Let's take a look at this. The screen's filthy just like the laptop I uploaded a video on earlier today. I really gotta clean my screens. I will. This is what phones used to be like. You've got your tools, alarm, calculator, Bluetooth, convert, fake call, call filter, torch. Yep, can I please get out of this? Back. I said back. Oh. Back! There we go. Okay, so yeah, you've got those. There is a... Oh, right, so there's torch, there's world clock, there's alarm, voice alarm, there's FM radio. You've got a browser, but, last time I checked, the browser on here no longer works. It's Opera Mini. Oh, now it's installing. Okay. It just switched off. Yeah, I'm not going to bother doing that because I know it's not going to work. So let's get out of that. Now I've got to go back to tools because I've just gone out of the browser. Okay, so you've got your browser right there, which doesn't work. Okay, that's it for the tools. You've got your camera, you've got your settings. Very simplistic. Media. Well, messages, call logs, contacts, calendar. That's pretty much it for this kind of phone. Anyway, it's good to take a look back at a simpler time. So there you go. Alcatel. You may have seen videos on this brand of flip phone, but I'm sure you haven't seen this specific one. In fact, I haven't even seen much content on this specific one. The ones that are usually uploaded on YouTube are Android based. This is based on a completely different architecture. I don't know what it's based on, but it's also got a removable battery, so that's cool. Let me just show you that. I just gotta put my camera down. The battery is removable. Oh, sorry, my hands are in the way. Let me just... The back panel comes off. Like that. And then you can take the battery out and get a replacement. And there's your micro SD slot and SIM card slot. I've got a SIM card in there. I don't use it though. I just have it in there just in case I need a spare phone. Because you can still actually use this for calling and texting. So, yeah. Good for anyone who likes to use old phones. So, if you need a cheap phone, just look for one of those. You'll be able to do all the simplistic phone stuff. In fact, you can still buy that exact same model of phone today. I recommend going to the warehouse. Goodness, I nearly ended the video and I forgot to mention there's a file browser on there. You can move photos, videos, and audio to your file browser on there, either via the USB cable or via a micro SD card. I haven't got any luck with putting videos on there. You probably need a very low quality, but audio works, pictures work, so that's cool. Yeah. See you next time.